Hey guys, it's Chloe. I'm doing my bio-invasive species project, so here we go. My three species are the Asian clam, water lettuce, and Siberian chipmunk. And the common name for the first one, the common name is the Asian clam, and its aliases are the Asiatic clam, good luck clam, golden clam, and its scientific name is Corbicula fulminea. For my second species, its common name is water lettuce, its alias is tropical duckweed, and its scientific name is Pistia stratiotus. For my last invasive species, its common name is Siberian chipmunk, its alias is common chipmunk, and its scientific name is Eutamius sibiricus. So the origin of the Asian clam. It lives in temperate to tropical southern Asia west to the eastern Mediterranean, Africa, except in the Sahara Desert, as you can see here, and Southeast Asia, Southeast Asian islands south into central and eastern Australia. So that would be like here, here, and here. Origin of water lettuce. So water lettuce is originated from Africa or South America. And origin of Siberian chipmunk. The Siberian chipmunks are native to Eastern Asia. So for the Asian clam, it was introduced to the first collection of the Asian clam in the U.S. occurred in 1938 along the banks of the Columbia River near Napton, Washington. And it was thought to enter the United States either as a food item used by Chinese immigrants or with the importation of the giant Pacific oyster. Now for my next slide, it is about water lettuce. And it is not quite clear how water lettuce made it into the U.S. It was first described in Florida in 1765, and it is possibly native to the U.S., or it may have arrived in ballast water. For the Siberian chipmunk, it found its way into Europe in the 1960s as a pet trade with South Korea, and Europeans contributed to the spread of this species into forests and rural areas. The effects of the Asian clam. Environmental effects of the clam have been biofouling in power plants and industrial water systems, as you can see here, and causing problems in irrigation canals and pipes. These are irrigation canals and these are the pipes, and drinking water supplies. It also competes with native species for limited resources. And this isn't the species in specific, but this is just competition. This is just a photo to represent the competition. Effects of water lettuce. So water lettuce grows into these thick and dense mats that clog waterways, and these mats make water activities nearly impossible and degrade water quality by blocking the air-water interface and greatly reducing the oxygen levels in the water, eliminating underwater animals such as fish. Consequently, these mats reduce biodiversity by blocking sunlight, pushing away and crushing other plants, and blocking access to the water and eliminating plants that some animals depend on for shelter and nesting. Effects of the Siberian chipmunk. So the Siberian chipmunk has a harmful effect on the environment since it eats crops and damages gardens. These are crops and damaged gardens. For example, in Russia, they eat approximately 50% of the forest nuts. Siberian chipmunks also compete with other small native animals. The red squirrel, this is a red squirrel right here, the wood mouse, and bankful for low nesting birds. And lastly, this species has been known to be a prominent carrier and spreader of Lyme disease. So, where the Asian clam is currently found. The Asian clam has spread into many of the major waterways and into 48 of the 50 states. So it's pretty spread out and pretty spread out. Where water lettuce is currently found. Water lettuce is present in the states of the southeast U.S. and north to New Jersey and New York and westward to Texas, Arizona, and California. But as you can see on this map, it's pretty much clustered in the south, in Louisiana, Texas, and Florida, where the Siberian chipmunk is currently found. The Siberian chipmunk is currently found in Belgium, France, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, and Austria. Identification of the Asian clam. So the Asian clam is 1 to 2 inches long and has a yellowish to blackish brown, thick, triangular shell with heavy, distinct, evenly spaced growth rings. And as you can see in this picture down here, they're pretty small. Identification of water lettuce. They are 6 inches long. They have light green, thick, soft leaves, no stems, parallel ridges, the veins right here. They're covered in short hairs and they have scalloped edges. Identification of Siberian chipmunk. They have 5 dark stripes and 3 white stripes on their backs. They're around 8 inches long, 2.5 inch tail, so it's pretty long. Relatively small compared to squirrels, and they do not weigh much. Control of the Asian clam. Current measures to keep the species under control include the use of screens and traps to filter out these adult clams from water systems. Hot water and chlorine and bromine are also injected into pipes containing Asian clams to kill the individuals. Some states have created regulations prohibiting the import, transport, or possession of the species. In Indiana, it is illegal to possess a live Asiatic clam. Control of water lettuce and Siberian chipmunk. So, mechanical harvesters and chopping machines remove water lettuce from the water and transport it to disposal on shore. And research has also been done on insect biocontrols and registered aquatic herbicides to provide temporary control of water lettuce. And then for the Siberian chipmunk, not very many measures are being taken to keep the invasive species under control, except for in the United Kingdom. Alright guys, that's my full project. This is my works cited, and my works cited continued. Thank you so much for watching, listening, yeah. Bye guys, thanks.